close. Chelsea Beach, southeast Melbourne, near Frankston on Melbourne Cup Day. It's 30 degrees. After midday, I think. Thunderstorms forecast later on today. Yeah, around Melbourne Cup and the rates that stop the nation at 2:30. Hopefully not, but the RBA might have other ideas. Central Bank, and look at them. It's probably a good thing because, you know, money now is dictating the horses that they get injured and killed, so they deserve what they get, I think. I'm not a prohibitionist, but horses keep getting killed. I like the racing, they're beautiful things, they're bred for it, they're graceful, they run in even in the rain. But, yeah, oh, here's that speedboat slowly coming towards us, Dave. Really? Got a good view of it, haven't I? Really?